Good morning, all. Hope everyone enjoyed their 4th and had a good weekend. For this week's lab learning, I'm going to touch on something that is formulations and alcohol based, and that is this. You don't have to use the named base of the cocktail you're trying to make if you're trying to make a canned cocktail. So for example, if you want to make something that has a margarita flavor or has a whiskey and soda flavor or a gin and tonic flavor, you don't have to use tequila or whiskey or gin to accomplish that flavor profile. You certainly can, but typically those alk bases, by their true nature, are sometimes a little more difficult to get, sometimes a little more costly. They have longer lead times. Again, it can all be done, but the thing to consider is you can get those same flavor profiles and in really delicious and meaningful ways with other flavorless alk bases. So things like grain neutral spirits, which is comparable to a vodka, or sugar brew or NMB, which are kind of a champagne-y or a flavorless beer profile. And what you do then is you use those as your alk base, and then you can layer in things like natural flavors, bittering extracts, natural colors, so on and so forth. There's a bunch of different options, juices, all sorts of things, to still achieve that flavor profile without the burden or the hurdle of sourcing that named base. I'm going to post a link to an article that BevSource did a while ago that kind of goes through the differences between them, just high level, going over things like the starting alcohol percentage, the overseeing agencies that regulate them, all those types of things. But as always, if you have any questions, please shout them out. And that is your lab learning for this week. Thanks.